Hey there, this is Eric with Lux Landscape Lighting. Today I'm going to show you what I do when I encounter a bed edge. We use a T-handle spade. It's not sharp, so it's not going to harm any wire when we get to that point. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just slice this going down between 6 and 8 inches deep. And we're going to use a piece of conduit, roughly 12 inches, and that's going to allow for any future bed extensions. So here's the conduit here, and what we're going to do is put our wire through the conduit, and we just put it back right where we want it, push it down, get it nice and deep, and then use our T-handle spade and then put it back in. And what this does is this prevents from the wire getting damaged when you edge your beds. We insert the wire through the conduit to prevent any future damage. I appreciate you guys watching our video, and be sure to check out our reviews on Google.